So I thought I'd make a quick video just on a bit of, maintenance coming into winter, and just had a problem with this old sassy girl, the EA. She didn't want to start, and it turned out that the battery was not putting out enough power, and a quick wire brush of the battery terminals, and she runs like a gem now. And I mean, I don't understand why this was at all a problem. It just looks, like the best thing that ever happened, this whole layout. But anyway, so what you want to do is, after you clean it up, it's just going to happen again. So you have to cut out the air, and what's better than CRC, battery corrosion prevention. So I don't really know what it's called because it sat in the sun for too long and you can't read it anymore, but I'm going to guess it was called CRC battery terminal protector, because that's what's written on the back here, and you just want to say it lots of times even though we've already bought it. So we'll just give it a shake and get rid of that guy, spray these guys down, and you don't want to miss any parts, so you just want to give the whole thing a good old go, because if you miss anything, it can still oxidize up. And this thing's 2,000 years old and the nozzle's all blocked up, but you get that. Oh yeah, look at that. That's just perfect. We get any? Oh yeah, we missed that bit. There we go. Oh yeah. Did we miss any? Oh yeah, around there. There we go. And she's good for another 100 years.